Welcome, conscious go-getters. Take a minute to get in a comfortable seated position, with legs crossed and eyes closed. And take a second to connect with your breath. Notice where you naturally can attune with your breath, whether it's through your nose or feeling the sensation of your chest rising or your belly rising. Whatever feels most natural for you to notice your breath, I want you to connect with that place in your body. And just notice your breath going in and out. This meditation is about restoration. And as a conscious go-getter, restoring your energy is just as important as exerting your energy. So I'm going to lead you through a visualization that's focused on restoration. Begin to imagine a tree seed. It can be any tree, just pick your favorite tree, but imagine it as a seed and see yourself as the seed. I want you to imagine being planted in the dirt near a river stream. Continuing to breathe in and out. I want you to imagine soaking in the nutrients from the dirt, and I want you to imagine your seed soaking in the water from the dirt. Staying connected with your breath. Envision your seed sprouting its roots as it's nourished. Exerting energy that it just soaked up. As you continue to breathe with each inhale and each exhale, imagine soaking in more nutrients as your roots spread, growing and rooting in the dirt. Keep breathing in and out, feeling yourself taking in nutrients, restoring your energy, just like this seed. Imagine the roots of your seed soaking up energy from the earth on the inhale, and your tree growing on the exhale. Keep breathing, soaking up energy on the inhale, and seeing your tree grow on the exhale. If you become distracted by thoughts, it's okay. Don't judge yourself. Just come back to envisioning your tree. Seeing it restore itself with energy and release it in order to grow. Inhale, restore. Exhale, grow. Keep breathing, restoring and growing. And take a minute to envision your tree growing into a massive tree by a river stream. Take a couple more seconds to continue restoring and growing. holding this now large tree planted by the river stream in your mind's eye. As we grow, we must replenish. Like this tree, your soul needs time and nourishment to expand. Feed your soul. Take in all the energy your spirit needs. Thank yourself for taking this time to meditate and restore. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. I leave you with this affirmation. You have the divine right to restore your energy. Namaste.